Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to pipes and cisterns. We shall check the concepts and formula. If a pipe can fill a tank in x hours, then the part filled in 1 hour will be equal to 1 by x of the volume of tank. And similarly, if a pipe can empty a full tank in y hours, then the part emptied in 1 hour will be equal to 1 by y. So we can club these two together. That is, if a pipe can fill a tank in x hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in y hours, where y is greater than x, it means the pipe can fill quickly. Then on opening both the pipes, the net part filled in 1 hour will be equal to 1 by x minus 1 by y. Next, the pipe area or the cross section area of the pipe is given by A is equal to pi r square, which we know very well, and which is again equal to pi d square by 4. Next, the volume flow rate is given by area of the pipe, that is the cross section area, into velocity of the fluid. For example, this is the area and this is the velocity. So the product will give you the net volume covered in per unit time. So the unit will be in volume per time. So we can write as volume per unit time is equal to area into velocity. So from this we can see the time taken to fill a tank will be inversely proportional to the area of the pipe, that is the cross section area of the pipe, which is again equal to time taken is inversely proportional to 1 by d square, that is the pipe diameter. So if you remember this formula, we will be able to solve these problems easily. Okay, we shall quickly recap. If a pipe can fill a tank in x hours, then the part filled in 1 hour will be 1 by x, and similarly if it can empty in y hours, then the part emptied will be 1 by y in 1 hour. We can club these two together like this, 1 by x minus 1 by y. And volume flow rate is given by area into velocity of the fluid. And the time taken will be inversely proportional to area or inversely proportional to d square. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.